Alright, so this is the footage we're gonna sync, and this is what it'll look like when we're done. So we've got 105 files here. Okay, let me just delete the already synced version, so we're back to raw material. Right, so now, File, Export, Final Cut Pro XML, and we just save it. Now let's open up KlikSync, all the info about it's down in the description by the way. And we just drop the XML in. And now synchronize. That's it, that's literally all you do. Okay, so it's done and it's asking where to save the synced XML. So we just pick a spot and save. That took about 15.5 minutes by the way. Alright, back to Premiere, File, Import, find the synced XML and bring it in. There it is, everything's there. I'm just going to randomly check a few clips now. There are too many to go through all of them. I will highlight the one we're looking at on screen in pink so you can easily follow along. And that's it. That's the whole thing. More info on KlikSync down in the description. My name is Bogdan and see you next time.